Did you know that Ayurveda is one of the oldest systems of medicine in the world? This ancient science, originating from India over 5,000 years ago, offers us a unique way to live healthier and more balanced lives. The word Ayurveda comes from two Sanskrit words, Ayur meaning life and Veda meaning knowledge. Together, it means the knowledge of life. But Ayurveda is more than just medicine. It's a way of life, a system designed to help us achieve harmony between our body, mind, and spirit. In Ayurveda, health isn't just the absence of illness. True health is when your body, emotions, and thoughts are in balance. Ayurveda believes that everything in the universe, including us, is made up of five elements: earth, water, fire, air, and space. These combine to create three energies or doshas, which govern how our body functions. Veda, representing air and space, it controls movement, breathing, and creativity. Pitta, made of fire and water, it's responsible for digestion, energy, and emotions like anger. Kapha, combining earth and water, it governs stability, strength, and immunity. Each person has a unique balance of these doshas, which determines their body type, temperament, and health. Understanding your dominant dasha can help you make better lifestyle and dietary choices. Food is medicine in Ayurveda. The right foods can heal your body and bring your doshas back into balance. For example, if you're feeling stressed or anxious, warming and grounding foods like soups or sweet potatoes can help calm Vata. If you feel overheated or irritable, cooling foods like cucumbers and mint can soothe Pitta. And for those sluggish days, light and spicy foods like ginger tea can energize Kapha. But Ayurveda isn't just about food. Daily habits, called dinacharya, are equally important. Here are some Ayurvedic routines that can transform your health. Start your day by drinking warm water to detoxify your body. Practice oil pulling with coconut or sesame oil to improve oral health. Meditate for mental clarity and emotional balance. And don't forget self-massage with warm oil to nourish your skin and promote relaxation. Ayurveda reminds us that health isn't about quick fixes. It's about understanding your unique body, respecting nature, and creating harmony in your daily life. Ayurveda offers a path to a healthier, happier you. Are you ready to explore this ancient wisdom and embrace its timeless benefits?